into it.
Right, ladies and gents, so today's job, what we're doing, we're going to change the spark plugs and oil filter and oil on the Aris turbo. Pretty simple job to do, but we're going to show you all anyway how to do it. Also, it wasn't running right, so we need to tighten up the alternator belt, and yeah, literally just get it done. And do you know what, she's got some mold here. Let me show you, man. Not good.
Undo the 13, so we got some, we can maneuver the alternator. That's better tension. Just literally gently pry it, you know. Might get something behind there, and look at that. Tensioned, tighten it. Right, just over tightened it. That's what happened to it. Luckily it snapped like that, and we could remove it like that. Look at that beautiful tension now. That shouldn't come off, but Loctite on there. Lovely. On to the next job, spark pluggers. Always make sure that they're the correct ones and match it up with them ones. This is what I meant by make sure it matches up. That looks shorter. I've got a second opinion. Apparently this is the correct one. This is what the part supplier supplied. So we're going to use this one because they're brand new and no good anyway. So they've all literally come out like that. So thankfully, new ones are going in. Right, now that's all done, we need to change that old crusty oil filter and oil. So yeah, let's do that. Right, unfortunately don't have an oil filter at the moment, but we're going to drain the oil. Smells like petrol. Hopefully she'll run better after. Sure, normally these have copper washers, but for some reason somebody used a plastic one. Let's hope this beauty fits. That's a magnetic one. Marvellous! Our magnetic plug fits in there nicely. needs more. Alright, pretty much done apart from changing the oil filter because I didn't have one. Going to do another oil change. Let's see how it runs now.
Even after doing the oil change and changing the spark plugs, it's still running a bit lumpy and smoky. I don't know why. I don't suppose any of you ladies and gents know why it's running the way it should, and have you got any ideas? It'll be much appreciated if you leave it down in the comments down below, because we want to get it running right, you know. Also, we figured out near the metering unit, someone's blanked it off some pipes, and like coming from like some vacuum or something. Oh, it's crazy. Like, if you got a diagram or something, if we can chat, maybe add me on Instagram, or even if we can come see your RS Turbo, yeah, I'd much appreciate it. But yeah, like always, please hit that like button, share and subscribe, and I'll be getting more content out for all you ladies and gents. But yeah, at the moment the RS Turbo is going to be on hold. We're going to be working on the Super again soon. Woo! I've missed driving that, it's been a month, so... But yeah, we're just going to get more content. We're going to keep it going. We've got to keep it flowing. Like always, like, share, comment, subscribe. Much love. Bless.